Guess what? I'm getting a theme song. Cool, right? Wrong. It's awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna let you pick which one. I would strum a guitar, but I had this lump on my hand from playing it too much, so I'm not allowed to play the guitar till my lump goes away. So I was going to do something like vocal, and guess who's singing it vocalistly? Love me. Oh yeah. Anyway, I was thinking like this. La 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 la, or na 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 na, na, or blah 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 blah, or cooey cooey cooey. I don't know which one. Think cooey, blah, nub, blah. How about doof?